Hello guys, how you doing? It's Sunday afternoon. I've just finished a job. Very rare jobs on Sunday, guys. You don't get many jobs on a Sunday. You can charge more if you do get a job on a Sunday. You just don't get many of them. I charged £172 for 137 miles. It took me 3 hours. Thank you very much. But normally I don't work on a Sunday. Sunday is day off, rest day. Recharge your batteries normally, but it's my first Sunday in 8 weeks since I've been doing like courier stuff. I thought, fuck it, why not? Yeah, so it was dead easy. Loaded up. There was a ton of shelving. It was going to Morrison's, and they were like making like a new display thing in there. When I say shelving, there was lots and lots of shelving. I'm not gonna lie. I met somebody called Rudy in Preston. He's interested in joining the he's interested in being a courier, and he was talking about doing removals and all this kind of stuff. Yeah, I was quite impressed with his attitude. There's a few people who want to join the CX and don't know exactly what it's all about. Mixing CX and removals at the same time, you're not gonna go wrong, guys. You are definitely not gonna go wrong. It was good to meet somebody. He looked at my van and he said, "It's green." Guys, nobody gives a shit what your color, the color of the van is. You're basically selling space. That's all you're selling. You're selling empty space. People want their shit taken from A to B. Nobody gives a shit what your van looks like, honestly. Obviously it looks better if it is clean, but honestly 9 times out of 10 nobody really gives a shit. Does it work? Yes. Will it get from A to B? Yes. That's all they want to know. Simple as that, guys. Yeah. When you're buying a van, check out the MOT history before you buy it, and then yeah, start bidding. I bought this one off eBay. I'm based in Blackpool. I went all the way down to London to get this because it only had 134 miles. I was thinking, just give me that. I just want it. I looked at the MLT history. It failed 3 times in 10 years. LDV Maxus. It's ugly as fuck. I'm not kidding you. It's not pretty, but it does the job, guys. That's all you want. That's all you're bothered about. Buy something that's gonna work for you. It's gonna work all the time. You can do a ton of miles in it. It's never gonna let you down. The damn thing is a cash machine. It is it's a horse on wheels. Honestly, it's a tank. I'm not gonna lie. It's even been hit by a 2-ton forklift truck. It made a little dent in the back. I'm not gonna lie, but it's fine. I'm not kidding you. The guy, this toy is a machine. It will not stop. I love it. I hope you find something similar and get lucky like me. Honestly, I've seen somebody buy small vans, and you can buy a small van for like £700, £1,000, and then check the running rate. You can get them running at like 8 pence a mile. 8 pence a mile, and you can charge 75 pence on some of the small van jobs. I think eventually I might get another toy on the road, and you know, give somebody a job and say, there you go, off you go. But I need to upgrade. But before I upgrade, I want to get my feet wet a little bit more, wet on how to do other things. I want to jump into Europe. Not ready just yet. I'm a little bit apprehensive about jumping into Europe because it's probably all right getting a job into Europe. I'm just worried about getting a job back out of Europe, or maybe traveling inside of Europe. I mean, God, guys, you're getting paid to travel. It doesn't get any more better than that, does it? Guys, hopefully I'll catch you tomorrow. I'm just north of Middlesbrough currently at the moment. And yeah, I've got nothing booked for tomorrow, but yeah, I'll see where I am tomorrow. All right, catch you later, guys. Bye.